Nowadays, students are feeling quite difficult in grammar. So, from today, I have thought to teach you from basic language. So, in grammar, the first things we have to know is alphabet. Alphabet means Varnamala. Alphabet, we are reading grammar now. So, alphabet, at first we have to know the definition of alphabet. Then, in simple language, from smaller classes like PG, the students starts to write from ABCD to Z. These all are the letters which the teachers used to teach the student. But while the students goes in class 1, the students have to know that all A to Z letters are called alphabet. It means the letters from A to Z, just like from here to here. Altogether there are 26 letters. So these all the letters are called alphabet. This is for class 1 only, not for other classes. Just to know that what is alphabet. In simple language, we have to know that all A to Z letters are called alphabet. Yes? After that, when the students pass grade 1 and if they will go in class 2, enter in class 2, then this definition will be changed a little bit, just like all A to Z letters which are used in writing is called alphabet. It means the letters from A to Z. These all the letters are used in writing, just like you are writing anything, just like apple. Then these all are the letters of English alphabet, because in ABCD to Z, A also comes, P also comes, L also comes, and E also comes. So these all the letters, whatever we are writing, anything, any words in English, that all the letters, group of letters are used from alphabet. So in simple language, we have to know that all A to Z letters which are used in writing is called alphabet. The students will feel quite difficult in English to understand. So now I am going to make understand in Nepali. ससाना बालबालिकाहरूले चाहिँ सानोदेखि नै पिजी क्लासदेखि नै चाहिँ एबीसीडी सिक्ने काम गरिरहेको हुन्छ। उनीहरूले त एबीसीडी सिक्ने काम त गरिरहेको हुन्छ, तर एबीसीडी के हो, यो कुनको अक्षरहरू हो, त्यो चाहिँ बुझ्न सकिरहेको हुँदैन। त्यही भएर चाहिँ फर्स्ट लेटर ग्रामर अन्तर्गतमा अल्फाबेट आउँछ फर्स्ट। त्यही भएर अल ए टु जेड लेटर्स आर कल्ड अल्फाबेट भनिएको छ। त यसको अर्थ चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि ए देखि लिएर जेड सम्मको सबै अक्षरहरूलाई नै के भनिन्छ, अल्फाबेट भनिन्छ। यसलाई हामीले हल्का अलिकति विस्तारमा जाँदाखेरि ए देखि लिएर जेड सम्मको सबै अक्षरहरू जुन लेखाइमा प्रयोग गरिन्छ त्यसलाई नै के भनिन्छ, अल्फाबेट भनिन्छ। अल्फाबेट भन्नाले वर्णमाला हुन्छ। यसलाई वर्णमाला पनि पढ्ने काम चाहिँ गरिन्छ।